I needed to use Traktor and I had no controllers with me, but I had my Novation, which I used with Ableton. I was surprised to find out that I couldn't find a map already out there. So I went ahead and made my own mapping. So here I'm sharing that with you. Alright, so the first section I want to talk about is the effects units. This mapping controls 2 common decks and 2 effects units. This is effects unit number 1. Effects unit number 2, this will be your assign button to assign it to the A or B deck. It changes color depending on which deck you're assigned to. If it's green, it's assigned to deck A. If it's yellow, it goes to deck B. This is your dry wet knob. These are your knobs for your effects. Now as soon as you turn these ones on, the on button is activated. And this is your panic button. Okay, if you want to turn off all the effects, just push that and it kills all the effects right here. And it's red because those effects are on. Effects unit number 2 is not red because none of them are on right now. So if I press this, let me show you what happens. It turns them off. These knobs have a dual purpose. Push and hold. While you're holding that and you turn the knobs, one of those effects knobs, it'll allow you to change your effects here. It'll go through the library and you can select the one you want. The next section down the line is your loop recorder. This red button right here is to record or delete a loop. To record, just press the button. To delete, you have to push and hold the shift button. And this is to play or undo. The slider right there is part of the loop recorder. And this is the dry wet knob up here. And if you use it in combination with the shift button, it will change your loop size. Loop for deck A or deck B. Okay, this will be your loop in, loop out for deck A. This is the one for deck B. And this will be your loop size. And you can change it on the fly too while you have an active loop. The slider right here, if you use it in combination with the shift, it will allow you to seek a position on your track. So this is your layout selector. As I press, it goes through different layouts. This next one's with the arrows up and down. It actually moves your cursor up and down so you can select a track. Pointing to the left will load your track into deck A and the one above to deck B. If you wish to unload, simply hold the shift button, number 1, and either deck and it will unload it. This is your deck A and cut play and deck B right here. This will be your volume for deck A and then below it the one for deck B. Again, these sliders have a dual use. When used in combination with shift, if you do that, it will change the tempo of your track. Okay, I'm gonna play a track. See how this the play button started flashing? That's just flashing in sync with the beat phase. See, now I'm playing both tracks. Sync is not on neither one of the decks. We'll activate sync on deck A and this will activate on deck B. So deck A, sync on deck B, it'll synchronize both. This is your crossfader. All these buttons right here can be turned into hot cue buttons. So press the shift and press either one of the buttons right here, 1 through 8. This column right here will be for deck A, the one on the right for deck B. And to delete those hot cues, just press the next button over and the hot cue that you want to delete. And thanks for watching.